Hey, my name is Ben. Thanks for stopping by. This here lawnmower started shaking really bad all of a sudden while my wife was mowing the lawn. I don't know if she hit something or not, but either way, the lawnmower started to shake, and it only would shake while the deck was engaged. So when the blades were engaged, it would shake, and when it was not, it would not. So you know right away that the problem is isolated to something with the deck. Most likely, it's almost always going to be caused by the end of one of your blades breaking off. So I've removed the blades here, and just so you know, the way you do that, it's a 5/8 wrench in this case. I think that's pretty typical. And you just have to get underneath your mower and get a hold of the blade while you loosen the bolt that holds the blade in place. Whenever you work underneath your lawnmower, be sure that it is adequately supported, and I would never recommend working totally under it. Like, you can reach underneath it, and you can see how I've used these two crates here, so that if the mower were to fall down and something failed on my lift there, the mower would still be up off the ground a little bit. So this may not be the perfect setup, but just always think it through. Don't just crawl underneath the mower while it's hanging from a hoist. So you can see how on a couple of these, the entire end of the blade has totally snapped off. So when that happens, it creates an imbalance that will shake the deck like crazy. So you just need to pick yourself up a new set of blades. These blades are, what are these? These are 21-inch blades. I'll be sure to link to the most common blade options in the description below so you can check those out. That's most likely going to be the cause of your mower shaking. So pick yourself up a new set of blades in the description, or go to your local hardware store. They should have some on hand as well. This style here with this a star shape connecting onto the mower seems to be pretty common. And it doesn't matter if you have mismatched blades on your mower, as long as each blade has an even amount of metal on both ends. Before you reattach the blades to the mower, be sure to just sharpen them real quick on a bench grinder or with a high-speed grinder like this here. Wear proper safety glasses and stuff. So this is going to be mounted up underneath the mower like this, and it's going to be rotating in this direction. Here you can see how the angle of the blade is. So as it spins, the sharp edge of the blade is towards the bottom so that it comes in contact with the grass first. So when you sharpen, you only sharpen on one edge. You only sharpen on the top edge so that when it's spinning like this, it's cutting downwards towards the blades of grass, which would be sticking up like my fingers here. So once you get your new blades, just go ahead and snap them into place. Or in my case, it's a used blade that'll work good enough. Get it snugged up there. Then using a 5/8 wrench, go ahead and snug it up while supporting the blade with your other hand. You can get these pretty tight, but you don't have to go too crazy on them. Right there. Here's a playlist of different lawn care related videos. So go ahead and click on that, and I'll see you in just a few seconds. Hit that thumbs up button if you found this to be helpful. All right, we'll talk to you in the next one. See ya.